going to do some scratch today, and I just invented this today and last night. It's something new. We're going to do like 20 questions. Alright, so today we're going to practice our logical flow. Right? We're going to have a go at just practicing the very basics, moving around blocks, sticking them inside of each other. And they invented this awesome new programming language called Blockly. And the reason it's so awesome for new learners is that it's real hands-on. You can move things around, attach the blocks of code, put them together. Right? It's kind of like Lego. Welcome to Scratch. Alright, so I'm going to teach you guys today how to make a really simple game. If it's too simple, we'll make it a little bit harder.
Nice. Yeah, awesome.
It's only to work one way. The electricity can only flow through it one way.